everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the January 2024 SoftFlex.com mystery design kit. And this month's theme was Lovebug. And we'll go ahead and open it up and see all the goodies inside. And when the kit launches at the last Wednesday of each month, they normally release an exclusive strand that is not part of the kit, but it pairs really well with it. And this is an exclusive from Jesse James Beads, and this is called Lovebug. And see how that's just going to pair beautifully. Love these beads. Jesse James Beads always does a great job in coordinating all their colors, and it makes the strands that they make in the mixes. You can just make this into a project as is. You don't have to add anything, or you have two of each or something. You can always make them into earrings. Very fun design. Let's see what is in our kits. They give you a little flyer that shows all the goodies inside. We have an exclusive charm from the Beat Place and some ladybugs. And then some of them items are already available on their website, such as the SoftFlex wire in pink tourmaline. And then, of course, their ear wires and clasps. And then we have a couple exclusive items that will be launching on their website on January 31st. Oh, these hearts are so cute. These are really cute. Really love the check glass beads that are coming in the kits and that they have on the website. Kind of that little color, that mauve color, a little bit of the pink. They look like the little conversation hearts. Be fun as earrings. Oh, little check glass hearts. Red with an AB finish. Those are adorable. Then we have some check glass. How cute. Then here is our SoftFlex wire in that beautiful pink tourmaline color. And then we have a design mix, lots of pinks, and this is Lovebug, also exclusive to SoftFlex Company, made by Jesse James Beats. And then we have some 2x2s, and these are um, oxidized sterling. And then we have all the fun specialty beads. We have a bead, ceramic bead. Let's go and open this up here, take a closer look. We have the texture charm, heart charm from the Bead Place, and that is an exclusive item to the kit. We have this beautiful little ceramic bee bead. Then we have two little ladybugs in ceramic, and then two little ladybugs with check glass. Then our findings in ear wire and a clasp. And then we're going to go ahead and open up the Jesse James bead mix. It's in Lovebug. Ready. Some little gold butterfly spacers, some check glass, tassels. Can't have a JJB mix without tassels. These are cute little tiny flowers. Oh, how cute. You get two of those little tiny roses. So it'd be really cute. On top of the tassel, and these are really nice. These little round oval beads here, kind of a light pastel pink. And then we kind of have a matching square, and then it looks like they went gold tones with our mix. We have these beautiful pink bright fuchsia beads, a lot of findings, and then these little black hearts. How cute. Those are adorable, and they're textured too. That would go really well with these ones. Have the little hearts. I just love these check glass. They're so beautiful. It looks like those will be available on January 31st, so I'll have to get some more of those. Pretty in the little glitter beads because you got to have that pop of sparkle in your designs. And then just more check glass. And then we have some pearls. They really have unique colors with Jesse James beads because they hand select them to match the mixes. So they'll make them fit and get the right shade of color that they need for that project. I like how with these ones, with like the fuchsia beads and then the light pinks, they kind of match. So even though they're in different shapes, they have that same color. That's always nice to see in a mix. And some little ones here. This is a really pretty mix. And this will be available at the last Wednesday as well if there are any remaining. SoftFlex usually has just a few left over. And you have the little filigree beads too, and they have a little rondel inside. Those are gorgeous. And then just rondels by themselves, and then a few gold bead caps. This is a beautiful mix. And this is Lovebug. And this is also the strand again. And see how it's just going to fit perfectly with that. You can put a little heart on the bottom if you wanted to. I think I might make those into earrings. This is just a beautiful set. Beautiful collection by SoftFlex Company. And then with that wire, such a pretty color. And these hearts, I keep going back to them, but they're so pretty. You can see how just everything matches just perfectly. Your check glass, if you wanted to space your strand out, put some check glass in there. Such a pretty mix. So much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content, tutorials, and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.